What's up, YouTube? This is Trust Me, I'm a Doctor here. I made a couple of videos about making homemade hot water heaters recently, and I got a request from a viewer to do a step-by-step video and go more in depth with how to make the hot water heater. So let's get started. Step 1, get a coffee maker and start taking out all the screws. If the screwdriver doesn't work for you, you can always use a hammer or a baseball bat. Okay, now that we demolished this coffee maker, this right here is the meat and potatoes of what we want. This is the heating element and the wiring going to it. So what we're gonna do, gonna cut these wires right here. We cut the heating element, water in and out, and we are gonna have ourselves a power cord. Okay, these wires, we're gonna hook these together with butt connectors. Okay, I have my last butt connector attached. You might be wondering what this circuitry is right here. It wasn't on the last ones in my video. I believe these components are a heat protective element. So if there's not enough water going through here to cool it down, these will stop the electricity from making this overheat. That's an important thing. If no water goes through here and you plug this up, this is a fire starter. It will catch on fire. So be aware of that. So basically that's it. You have a power cord, you have a heating element, and you have water input and output. It doesn't matter which one is input or output. This thing is going to get hot. You just need to run water through it. That's it. Enjoy your hot water heater and watch my other videos about building hot water heaters, and this will complete your knowledge about how to build it and use it safely. Rate, comment, and subscribe to my channel. This Trust Me, I'm a Doctor. I'm out. Oh, one more thing I want to add before I conclude this video is when I say you need to run water through here, people may say, well, how do we run water through there? Let me show you the simplest way possible is using one of these fittings. It's basically what's on the end of a water hose, which would plug onto most outdoor water spouts. This is from Home Depot or any hardware store. It's a barb fitting. This end will screw onto your water spout, and you can just plug this into the hose just like that. Screw it on your water spout. You have the input. Now you have the output over here, and it's just that simple. All right.
Now I'm out.